Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog. Let me start with a question. Have you ever wondered which wooden furniture projects actually sell fast and bring real profit? You are not alone. Many small woodworkers and DIY crafters spend time and effort building beautiful pieces, but few discover which ones buyers truly want. Today, you are about to find out. In this video, we are unlocking smart woodworking ideas that turn simple materials into high-value furniture pieces, the kind that look expensive but are surprisingly easy to make. And the best part is, you can start right from your small workspace, even if you are a beginner. Now, before we begin, here is something to think about. In today's world of mass production, handcrafted wood furniture has become more special than ever. People want warmth, personality, and authenticity in their homes. That means your handmade wooden creations are not just products. They are stories, and people pay more for pieces that tell a story. So let us explore how to transform your creativity into something that sells. The first idea is small tables and accent furniture. These include side tables, nightstands, and compact coffee tables. They are functional, versatile, and in constant demand. Here is the secret. Buyers love furniture that fits small spaces but still feels stylish. You can build one with reclaimed pallet wood or leftover boards, sand it smooth, and give it a satin finish. Add a light stain, or even a two-tone design, and suddenly, a simple table looks like a boutique item. Never underestimate how much value finishing can add. Second profitable idea is entryway benches and seating with storage. Every home needs one, but few people realize how easy they are to make. A simple bench with a lower shelf or storage compartment appeals to both minimalists and organizers. Add clean edges, a natural stain, or a soft cushion on top, and you have something that looks custom-made. Even better, these pieces often sell fast because they serve two purposes, seating and storage. Moving on to floating shelves and wall-mounted decor. These are game changers for small woodworkers. Because they require minimal material, take little time, but offer a high profit margin. Floating shelves made from pine, oak, or pallet would always sell because they are simple, useful, and match any decor. You can create sets, for example, a trio of shelves with matching tones, and style them for photos. A well-photographed shelf set often looks far more expensive than it actually costs to make. The fourth furniture idea is small stools and plant stands. Do not underestimate them. They are compact, quick to build, and versatile. A small stool can be used as decor, as a plant holder, or as an extra seat. With a few creative finishes, like matte black paint or light natural wax, you can create a clean, modern look. Try adding subtle design details, round edges, geometric legs, or a rope handle to make yours stand out from similar ones online. The fifth high-demand idea is storage boxes, crates, and organizers. People love wooden storage that doubles as decoration. Rustic wooden boxes for living rooms, stackable crates for offices, or small cabinets for bedrooms are always trending. The trick is to combine beauty and function. Smooth surfaces, neat handles, and neutral tones instantly increase perceived value. You can also market them as sustainable and eco-friendly, especially if you use reclaimed or recycled wood. That simple label, eco-friendly handmade storage, can make your work sell faster and at higher prices. Now, here is where curiosity comes in. What truly separates furniture that sells from furniture that does not? It is not just skill or design. It is presentation and emotion. Think about it. When buyers see your piece online or in a local shop, what catches their eye first? The story behind it, the lighting, and the way it looks in a styled setting. So, when you finish a project, style it beautifully before taking photos. Place it near a window with soft light, add a plant or a candle, and shoot from multiple angles. Good presentation can increase your perceived value instantly. And here is another key secret most beginners overlook. Simplicity sells better than complexity. Many people try to over-design their furniture, but minimalist pieces with clean lines and perfect finishes look more expensive. A simple shelf done well can outsell a complicated cabinet done poorly. So focus on quality, not just complexity. Let us talk about pricing strategy. You might be asking, how much should I sell my work for? Start by listing material costs, then add fair compensation for your time. Research similar products online, and never undersell yourself. Remember, people pay more for handmade craftsmanship because it carries heart and personality. Your skill, patience, and precision are valuable. When you begin to sell regularly, think about efficiency. Batch your work, cut multiple boards at once, sand them together, and stain in groups. This saves time and keeps your quality consistent. Consistency builds trust, and trust brings repeat customers. You can even offer furniture collections. For example, a matching side table, wall shelf, and small crate, all in the same tone, can be sold as a complete home set. This not only increases your revenue but also strengthens your identity as a brand. Marketing is the final piece of this puzzle. Use social media to show your process. Post before and after clips, finishing tips, or time-lapse videos of your builds. People love seeing how something ordinary turns extraordinary. That behind-the-scenes view builds connection and drives sales naturally. Let me share a quick reminder. You do not need expensive tools or a large workshop to start. You only need creativity, patience, and a passion for wood. Even small-scale projects made in a corner of your home can turn into income streams when done thoughtfully. And here is one last curiosity to leave you inspired. Many successful woodworking sellers started with simple projects. One table, one shelf, one crate. They improved with every build, shared their work online, and slowly built an audience that trusted their craftsmanship. You can do the same. So, whether you are crafting to decorate your home or to start earning from your passion, remember this. Every piece you create carries your creativity, your time, and your story. And there will always be someone willing to pay for that. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If this video gave you new ideas or inspiration, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. New woodworking and home decor videos arrive every few days, full of practical, creative, and profitable ideas for makers like you. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep turning simple wood into something wonderful.